Hey everyone, Perry over here with MarineMax Maryland. Currently in the bow of a brand new 2018 Sea Ray 21 SPX. So I mean, lots of space here. I'm 6'4", and you can sit down here, and there's lots of room to spread out. So as we move back into the cockpit area up here at the helm, outfitted with a 5-inch Simrad chart plotter, depth range. Great for if you don't know really where you're going. Right here, we'll figure it all out for you. You have flip-up holster here at the captain's chair. You have a lounger that goes forward and aft. Nice snap-in woven, infinity woven carpet here, as well as in the back, powered by a MerCruiser 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine. So again, if you want to come take a closer look here at MarineMax Baltimore, give us a call and let us know when you take it out on the water. Have a good day.